Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're gonna watch how we can apply for an e-visa to the country of Gabon. So e-visas are becoming very popular nowadays, and Gabon is a country in Central Africa. So we'll go through the process. But before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this official immigration Gabon e-visa site. So there are 4 steps. Step 1, select visa type, fill the form, add documents, 4, submit. Now the fee for 1 to 3 months eligibility, a single entry, €70 plus €15 processing fee. For 6 months with multiple entry is €185 plus €15 processing fee. Okay, so we click on the start button. First is to select, like you want single or multiple. If you select multiple, then it asks you to select duration 6 months. If you select single, then you have 1, 2 months, 3 months. So let's say you are applying for single and you take 2 months. Next step. So next step is applicant data. So first name, last name, date of birth, nationality, you need to fill as per your case, not what you see here. Place of birth, this should be as per your passport. Profession, email, confirm email. So some sample entries I have entered. Trip duration was also already pre-filled based on what we have selected. Date of arrival, so yeah, okay. Purpose of visit, I select tourism. Contact in Gabon. So they have also written like even if you're gonna stay at hotel, company name or hotel name. If you act on your own, full address, phone. Then you go to the next page where you add relevant document, your passport and any other thing that they ask. Then you pay the fee and submit. So that's what the whole process is guys, and it's pretty simple. And once you apply, you can check the status over here. Okay, and you can contact them if you want to. So that's how simple it is guys, and I hope you're gonna like it. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.